This is where Semrush One really stands out, because you can see your Google rankings and your AI visibility side by side. SEO and AEO aren't things you do just once. You make changes, then you watch what happens. Are your rankings going up? Are AI tools starting to mention you? Without tracking, you're just guessing. So let's set that up so we can monitor progress over time. On the left side in your SEO toolkit, navigate to Position Tracking. Then select your SEO project from the list. You'll land on the Position Tracking Landscape tab, and you'll see some high-level details immediately. For example, you can see your visibility score. Brightline Co. is at 65.72%, which is pretty good, but there is still room to grow. Could increase that over 3 months to potentially 66.02 by making a few small tweaks. It shows estimated traffic and average position per keyword. If you scroll down, you can see what the top keywords are. Let's click to see those. If you scroll down here, you can see the rankings overview, which shows all of the different keywords and how they're performing. This first keyword on the list, agave versus honey here, is showing up in the first position in the AI summary, which is really great. If you want to see what this actually looks like on the search engine results page, you can click this little browser with a magnifying glass icon. This shows you a cached result of the page. Back on the rankings overview page, if you click to expand any keyword, you can see how that keyword's position has changed over time. The longer you have your account open, the more data you'll see here. Now let's say you want to track the position of specific keywords. Remember earlier we built a keyword list with that keyword strategy builder. Let's add those keywords to our position tracking. Click on Keyword Strategy Builder on the left side, scroll down the page and select your keyword list, click the checkbox in the upper left, and then click Send Keywords. Click Position Tracking, and then click Apply. In Project or New Domain, select your project, and then click Send Keywords. Here we got a confirmation that 19 keywords were sent and 2 weren't sent because they were duplicates. They're already being tracked. Go ahead and click Go to Position Tracking. Then you can click back to the Overview tab and filter by the keyword you want to check the position tracking for. Let's say we want to check best olive oil. Then click Search. We could scroll down, click Best Olive Oil to expand it, and see all the information for how this particular keyword is performing and changing its position over time. I recommend adding your 20 to 30 most important keywords and then check back weekly to see what's moving, both in Google and AI search.